Oh my god, I'm scared.
Hi family! Today is December 2nd. I am still in New Hampshire. As you can tell, there's a bunch of snow, which is why I'm still in New Hampshire. But we are going to build a snowman, and later we're going sledding.
We're gonna make the most out of this really bad situation.
It's a California dream right now.
Yep.
All this snow, just right here. So.
Oh fuck. Don't in my hair. Yeah, that looks perfect. We can just leave him faceless.
He's cute and cuddly and he likes warm hugs. Yeah, it's so cold on my hand. Wait, ow, my hospital band. Okay.
With both arms. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. What is that man? Aww.
We're eating crunchies in the car.
Alright.
Oh, hear that? That's my car trying to get out of the snow.
Eastern border just added me to their story. I'm literally quaking. Jealous?
I'm so jealous. Getting cold yet? Your hands. You should be wearing mittens, Shab.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
You guys.
I couldn't see.
Traffic jam. See you, suckers.
Yeah, look at
It's still snowing.
still snowing.
Update. Starbucks.
We got, what did we get? And the new
Chestnut praline. I don't think it's new.
Oh.
We got chestnut praline lattes.
Like there's like a ton of sugar and shit in the bottom, and I do not like that. I
Stir
like it bitter. I don't want it.
then drink from the top. Sweet.
It's like a 4 out of 10 for me right now.
Wow. Oh my god, mine's like 7.5. and a half.
Here we go. Watch out, Julie. We didn't make it very far.
After that last wipe out, we decided to put our camera down.
We're gonna have some real fun.
Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.